Here we go. We have a question. Count days without meeting. You are given a positive integer days representing the total number of days an employee is available. You are also given a 2D array meetings where meeting I is the start time and the end time. We need to return the count of days when the employees is available for work but no meeting is scheduled, and the meeting may be overlap. So we have given this. On day the employee is busy till date 3 he is busy, then on day 4 he is no meeting is scheduled. So we have one day which is free, then 5 we have meeting, 6 we have meeting, 7 we have meeting, 8 we don't have any meeting, 9 and 10 we have meeting, and there are only 10 days. So we need, so the number of days is 2. In this, on day he is busy, 2 busy, 3 busy, 4 busy, 5. On 5 he don't have any meeting, so the output is 1. In this case, from day 1 to day 6 till the last day he is busy, so we don't have any day free, so the answer is 0. So let's build the approach. Our first approach will be to use prefix sum, right? So we know the number of days, so we will build an array from 0 to 42. Then if we have given 22, so on day 22 I will add plus 1, and till 24 we have 1, and then on 25 we don't have any meeting, right? So on a prefix sum, what we'll do, we will write -1 on that index. So after building this, on 5 I will add, on 5 I will add plus 1, on 6 I will subtract -1. So using this I will add all these. Then in the second iteration I will just add, so we don't have any meeting here, then one meeting here, on 2 we have one meeting, on 3 we have one meeting, on 4 we have one meeting, on 5 we have one meeting, on 6, so if we add up the previous we go to 0. On 6 he is available, then 7 no meeting, 8 no meeting, then we reach this 22 we have meeting, 23 we have meeting, so I will just add a previous. Then even in our third iteration what I will do, I will check if there is 0 available. If there is a 0 we will add it. So this approach will work, but if we look at the constraints here, the constraint n, the days is very large, so it will give me MLE, which is memory limit exceeded, so we can do better. So we cannot use space, right? So we need to optimize this. First of all, this is not sorted, I will sort it. So I will sort this. So I've used this first. So I will first sort it according to the starting index, and if the starting index is equal, then I will sort it according to the second index, which is the ending index. So first let me sort it. 11 20, 22 24, then we go 23 to 28, 32 to 38. Then suppose if we got another value 32 to 36, so we got this value and this value, so this is same, our first value is same, so we cannot do like this, so we have to give a preference to the second value, so it will be like this, 32 to 38. So I have also considered the overlapping case. Now we need to figure out the number of days we are free. So initially our day is 1, and our answer is 0. So we need to check if there is any day available, right? So there is no day available, but what if okay, I will talk about this later. So we are on to day 1, and till day 5 we are busy, so I will just add 5 here. Then on the next day we have 11, which is more than 5, so there are some days in between, which is 6 7 8 9 10. So what will I do, 11 minus 5, which will give me 6, I will subtract -1. So what I am doing here, for my answer I will just do, this is my current day, so let's say this is day, so day 0th index minus my day, which is this value, right? So instead of day let me say days, or let me say meet. meeting. So because this is meeting, so I will write meet here. So it will give me 11 minus 5, which will give value 6, but there are 5 days in between, not 6. So I have to do minus 1. So I will got 5 values. I have got 5 values. Then I will take up this value, which is 20. So I will write 20 here. My value is 20. Next is this, which is 22. So 22 minus 21, we got 2, but there is only 1 day in between. So we got 1 more day. Our day will be 6, right? Then till 24 we are busy. Next value is 23. We are on to 24. Till 24 we are busy, and there is one more meeting scheduled from 23 to 28, but this value is smaller. If this value is bigger, then only we will consider. If meet of 0 is bigger than our day, then only we will consider this case, right? Yes. So this answer we will only consider if so let me change the pen. This case we will only consider if my meet of 0 is greater than day, right? So I will add this into my answer plus equal to this, and we are getting our answer as 6, right? But in this case it is not there, and I will take up the second value. But this is not always the case. Suppose this is not always the case. In this case it is valid, we will reach to 28, right? But what if it is only 23 to 23, 23 to 23? From the previous index we are busy till 24, but there is another range from 23 to 23 which is less. So I will just consider maximum between already day and meet of 1, right? So I will go 28, so I will go 24 for this case, right? The next value is 32. So 32 minus 28, there is some range. So I am free on 25, 26, 28, 29, 30, 31. So I am free for 6 days. So we got 24, 25, 6, 7, 8, 6. So I have not written 27 here. So I am free for 7 days. And if I subtract 32 minus 24, we got 8. So I have to do minus 1. So that's what I have written here. We got 7 more days. So the value is 13, and I am busy till 36, right? And there is one more value. So we got this 32 till 38, but I am busy till 38. There is one more meeting scheduled which is less, which is overlapping, we can say, which is overlapping from 32 to 36. Then there is overlapping from 32 to 38. So there is overlapping, there is no free day, so I will take the maximum value. So I am busy till 38, but I have traversed this range, but there is some more range. We have 42, but I am busy only till 38. So I am free on 39, 40, 41 and 42. In this case I will include the last day. Why? Because there is no meeting schedule on 42. Is our like last day. So I am free for 4 days. So if I do like this, we got 4, right? So after for loop, we also need to calculate our days. So this is my total days. So now there is a problem. This is my days. So what will I do? I will say this is my so this is days only. This is days, right? So I will do, I will add this into my answer plus equal to days minus day, So I have got uh, four more values, so the answer is 17. The answer is 17. So this same thing can be applied on our first index. There may be a chance that it starts with 3, right? But we are on to day 1, so we are free on day 1 and day 2, right? So we need to calculate the range between 1 to the starting point, so we got two values, right? So we also need to handle the starting case and the ending case, right? So for this case we got two more values, which is day of 0, which is this value, and minus 1, which is 3 minus 1. We got two more values. So that's how this will work. Let's code this. We need answer, and let's say previous day is 0, and we have meeting, but this is not sorted. I have to first sort it. This is meetings. If the starting value is equal, then sort it according to the ending value. Otherwise it is not equal, so sort it according to the starting value. Then we need to write this: if meeting of 0 is bigger than my previous, then for this case, right, so if there is 2 from range 2 to 3, so there is one day available from 1 to 2, there is some range in between, so there is no meeting scheduled, so we have to take this answer plus equal to meet of 0 minus previous minus 1, right? Yes, then previous will be maximum between previous or meeting of 1. Then we also need to calculate till the last day, days minus previous, but this is only valid if my days is greater than previous. And just return the answer. Let's run this, and it is working. Let's submit this, and it is working. Let's discuss about the time and space complexity. For sorting, the time will be n log n, and we have n time here. So in the worst case, the time complexity is n log n only. What about space? Space is constant in this case, right? That's all. Thank you all for watching this video.